Mastering phrasal verbs, daily routines and work activities. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of phrasal verbs and how they relate to work and daily activities. As you progress in your English language journey, you'll find that phrasal verbs are vital to understand and use because they are commonly used in spoken and written English. Let's demystify them together. A phrasal verb is a verb that's combined with an adverb or a preposition, or sometimes both. The resulting phrase has a meaning that is different from the original verb's meaning. This might sound complex, but once you start learning and using them, you'll get the hang of it. Let's explore some common phrasal verbs used in the context of work. 1. To catch up on. This means to do something you didn't have time to do earlier. For example, I need to catch up on my emails. 2. To fill in. This means to complete or add details. For example, please fill in the form with your details. 3. To put off. This means to delay or postpone. For example, we had to put off the meeting because the boss was sick. 4. To take on. This means to agree to do some work or responsibility. For example, I decided to take on the new project. 5. To turn in. This means to submit or deliver something. For example, I need to turn in my report by Friday. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations and written communications at work. Now, let's have a look at some phrasal verbs that we use in our daily routines. 1. To wake up. This means to stop sleeping. For example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. 2. To pick up. This could mean to lift something, to collect someone, or to buy something. For example, I need to pick up some groceries on my way home. 3. To look after. This means to take care of. For example, I have to look after my younger brother this evening. 4. To give up. This means to stop trying to do something. For example, I gave up trying to fix the computer. 5. To clean up. This means to make a place clean or tidy. For example, after the party, we had to clean up the living room. Try incorporating these into your daily English usage as well. And there you have it, learners. A quick and straightforward introduction to phrasal verbs related to work and daily activities. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs is consistent practice and usage in your day-to-day conversations and written communications. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. Until next time, keep learning and growing, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. See you in the next video.